again. Okay, we are going to do. Okay, go back there. Okay, the other thing we want to do is the clock. The clock has been set already. So what happens here is that alarm. I did an alarm here to wake up at 8 in the morning, 8 a.m. Wednesday. Repeat weekly every Wednesday for testing. Okay, also my part-timing comes every Wednesday, so I wake up early. It works, okay, beautifully. Alright, so go back. So you want to set an alarm, you just press add. Okay, and then you know, right, up you can see pressing the button okay, or faster 1-5. Will it allow me to do it? Okay, no. Okay, 1-5. Okay, 7:15. Okay, that's one way instead of pressing up, arrow and down. Okay, then AM. It's very interesting when the AM you look at it, the color changes. When I press PM, it's dark. Okay, when AM is the morning. Okay, and they also tell you, right, alarm set for 12 hours and 4 minutes from now. Okay, and alarm set for 4 minutes from now, because now it's 7:11 p.m. now it's 7:15. Okay, so do you want to repeat? You want to repeat weekly or not? Okay, then they have alarm type: melody, vibration, and melody. Okay, not much choice actually. It's a default melody. More volume, that's about all. So for my case, I use my iPhone to wake me up, not so much of the clock. Okay, so let's go back. So there's only one alarm now. World clock. By default, there's one setup based on Singapore time. You can change to Malaysia time, and one in Melbourne, so you can know your child's time. So let's say we add city. Okay, let's say go to Melbourne. Melbourne, Australia. It say already exists. That means I've done already. Yeah, Melbourne, Australia. This one I don't want. I go back and delete. So I delete this one. Okay, I delete. So I got Melbourne, Australia. Okay, world clock. So you know your current time at this Melbourne, but you want to add for the sake of playing around. Let's say Singapore. No, it's not Singapore. We don't want that delete again. So you go to this sub menu there. Okay, take out delete. So it's a bit sensitive. So you say add city. Let's go to Singapore again. Where's Singapore? Singapore. Alright, it's added. Say add city. Let's see whether there's oh shit, goes in again. There's no Penang. So let's say Kuala Lumpur. Yeah, Kuala Lumpur. Okay, so we have this. So let's say we can take out the one we don't want, which is this. Okay, so we delete. Okay, there we are, Australia. I think we can change the order, right? So let me see, how do you change it? Right, like that. No. I'm not sure how to change the order. Okay, so maybe just leave it now. Okay, stopwatch, start, stop, that sort of thing, reset. Okay, yeah, don't think you use it. Timer, I do like to use timer sometimes, like maybe when you park your car you got 1 hour, you know, so maybe, you know, so let's say we just say one minute and start. Okay, when it's over it will beat you, so you'll be reminded. So normally sometimes when I do use this, like say when I go shopping and then I need to meet Lai Ming in about 30 minutes time, or I should leave the shopping center in about 45 minutes time, something like that. So it's a good reminder. I use this as in that sense. Okay, and as an alert lah. So in your case, like for example you go shopping or anything like that, just to remind that time to go, time to meet somebody, right? Of course another way is to put it as a calendar, an appointment, but I think this is useful if we are talking about, you know, let's say an hour type of thing. Okay, 15 seconds, 30. You should be able to off it, and they should, right there, there, time's up. Okay, so if you don't stop, you'll keep on ringing, so you got to press here and off like that. Okay, so it's quite a neat thing, right? I wish I use timer. Desk clock, I think it's just a display only, like that. That means you want to use it as a desk clock and put your phone there, so not so practical. So basically it's really the alarm setting you use it. Alright, so get back. Okay.